we need to understand what this means here. Describe the end behavior of the graph of the polynomial function by completing these statements. As the function of x approaches and as x approaches, well, I guess I shouldn't say as. I should say the function of x approaches something as x approaches negative infinity, and the function of x approaches something as x approaches positive infinity. Okay? So we will say, oops, too much. Okay. So we will say, as we're thinking about a graph, this is the direction in which x approaches infinity, and this is the direction in which x approaches negative infinity. Okay, so this is where it's coming from, and this is where it's going to. Okay, and in my case I have an even function, so I know I'm not really going anywhere. Okay, and I know that it's a sad story because it's negative. Okay, so I could make up a story here. Basically, if it's to the sixth, I might have 1, 2, 3. Let's just say I have 3 turns. I might have more. I'm starting from down here and I'm ending up down here. So, we're going to say, as x approaches, in other words, as it's going out this blue line toward negative infinity, what's happening? Well, it approaches negative infinity as x approaches negative infinity. And as it goes out the red line toward infinity, towards positive infinity here, well, then it's going to do the same thing on this side. It's going to be x is going toward negative infinity. So very low. It's going down here toward negative infinity for y and negative infinity. It's going to the depths, okay? So whichever way you go. In the middle, there might be a little reprieve. You know, might be a little reprieve in the middle. But when you're done with the middle, you're going back to where you came from, okay?